Happy Monday, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I want to bring to your attention two of the homes that hit the market, and they're both in Madeira Beach. These are both waterfront homes, and the first one is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,164 square foot property listed with Sun Team Realty, and David Brown is the listing agent. This home boasts amazing water views. It's got over 80 feet of waterfront, its own dock, its own access to the Gulf of Mexico, and this home is available to you for $1,550,000. There's also no HOA in the community if you're thinking about a potential rental or as an investor, some of your options available with this property. Next in Madeira Beach is a new construction. This beauty is 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 4,047 square feet. It's got its own dock, as I mentioned before, its own pool, like the previous property, and it's listed with Keller Williams Realty, and Gate Archery is the listing agent, and this beauty is available for $4,600,000. And again, you have waterfront, you have new construction, you have large, high ceilings available to you, heated in-ground pool. This is an amazing opportunity, and 14-foot ceilings in the main level. It's amazing. Space for 4 cars in its own garage. It is an opportunity that you should, run towards. If these homes or any other are of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. I'd love to go over your options for buying and selling here in the Gulf Coast community. Thanks.